was something in the air the night that I left town. The stars were bright and the world was spinning round. There was something in the distance that kept leading me on to a brand new world, to a great beyond. And as the river flows and the city glows, I'll be following the open road. 'Cause wherever I go, I know I'm going home. Wherever I go, I know I'm going home. And ooh, I will never be alone. 'Cause wherever I go, I'm home. And the world was seeming smaller, and the wind was at my back. But no matter where I went, I noticed that when everything is different, some things never change. It's the light in the eyes and the love that stays the same. And as the river flows and the city glows, I'll be following the open road. 'Cause wherever I go, I know I'm going home. Wherever I go, I know I'm going home. And ooh, I will never be alone. 'Cause wherever I go, I'm home. I'm going home. Home. I'm going